Welcome! In this video, we will walk you through the standard unboxing and initial setup process for the special 10th anniversary limited edition robotic arm, the myCobot 280X edition. Carefully open the package and remove the protective foam. Because this is the exclusive X edition, inside you will find a special commemorative badge and a custom sticker alongside the standard components. Proper installation is critical for safety and precision. You can use the provided screws to fasten the robotic arm to the base, and then secure it to the edge of your desk using the G-clamp. With the hardware stabilized, plug in the power supply to turn the robot on. Because this is the Pi version, you can simply connect an external display or use VNC to access the operating interface. Once connected, the setup is complete. You can now easily control and program the robotic arm using myBlockly for intuitive visual programming, or Python for advanced development. For comprehensive software tutorials, development guides, and troubleshooting, our Gitbook documentation has everything you need. Visit the link or scan the code here to access the full manual. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your X Edition experience.